Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today I'll be doing a review on a wig from Beauty Forever that was sent to me through Amazon. This is my first time putting the wig on, trying the wig on, so this will be an honest review and opinion of mine on what I think about the hair. You guys love the bob, so I decided to go a little bit longer. Now, would you typically purchase your wig from Amazon? That is why I'm doing this video today. I will also be talking about the second half of my Mexico trip, which I did not get to upload the video. So throughout the video, I'm going to be talking about the swimming with the dolphins and a couple of other things that I was able to do when I went to Mexico for my 21st birthday. Now, with that being said, let's get into this video. First, let me talk about the state of my hair. As you all know, I did a big chop and my hair is growing back healthier, thicker, fuller. I just love the growth. For this style, well, whenever wearing my wigs, I typically like to do straight backs, but ain't nobody had time for that today. So I actually had some plaits. If you're familiar with plaits, any Caribbean people or people with Caribbean parents, you know, when you were younger, your mom put some big plaits in your hair after she washed it. Well, that's how I've kind of been rocking my hair lately, because I've just been consistently work. So I haven't really been too glammed up. But let's get into the growth of my hair. Well, don't mind, it looks a little rough because I am due for a wash day. But as you can see, this is my hair. You see how my hairline is thicker. And then also, I just slicked it back into a real quick bun. Nice little low bun. Not the neatest bun, but doesn't really matter because it's all going to go under the cap. Okay, so if you've ordered from Amazon before, you know that all the Amazon packages, so you come like this, and sometimes Amazon sends the stuff in a box, but I'm guessing because I got a wig, there was no need for a box. So even though it comes in the Amazon packaging, they also send the wigs in their packaging as well. I love when companies actually do this. I just love the satin bag. I love that I can like put it right back in the bag, and I'm just a big fan of satin. So now let's take a look at the wig. So it comes with, we have our wig. They also sent us a wig cap. And of course, they hooked me up with this cute floral headband. What's a headband wig without a cute headband, right? So now I am going to put all of this to the side and give you more details about the wig. So this wig is 150 density and it's 18 inches. Longer than the bob wig, of course. So the wig comes with a net. Ooh, another headband. Okay, and this is more of a cotton material. So satin, cotton. Satin, cotton. So I'm just gonna take it out of the net. Ooh, it's kind of stuck a little bit. So this is the wig. You have the headband piece. Inside you have the combs. Okay. And this one also comes with the band. You have to unhook this. Let me unhook it really quick. An extra band on the inside to tighten it if you need to. When I first cut my hair and I was wearing these wigs, this is something I had to do to pull the wig a little bit tighter so it could be secure on my head. But now that my hair is growing back, I may not need to take this extra step to secure my wig. So this is the 18-inch wig. So it's flowy. It's very, very silky. And I want to say that this hair is more like the bundle hair than it is the yaki hair, like how the bob was. So I would say this has more of a silkier touch than a kinkier touch. So I guess we're just going to have to see how this blends and how this goes with my hair. Alright, so they sent me a complimentary wig cap. The wig cap looks like the typical nude. It looks like that nude. I'm trying to get it so you guys see it a little better. Nude. And I actually think I'm going to go with this wig cap that I actually got from myfirstwig.com. Okay, so now the first step, putting a headband wig on, your wig on. After you have a good kind of foundation, and as I stated before, I feel like the bun could have been lower, but who cares? It's all going under the wig, and my hair hasn't grown out that much, so I'm hoping that this will be fine. Alright, so now I'm putting my wig cap on. Now that the wig cap is on, I am going to do my edges and fix my hairline. And I'm actually going to pull the cap back a little bit this time because I want it to look as natural as possible when I put the wig on. So, lately I have been using Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Edge Control and Smoother. It adds shine to my hair and it adds moisture. Now I'm going to get into doing my edges. As we like to say, I'm going to slay the baby hairs. And I'm going to use my toothbrush and I'm going to use a rectangle comb. Now let's get into it. Now we could pick up with talking about my Mexico trip where I went swimming with the dolphins. So as you can see, we're driving to the excursion. I was picked up at 8:45 a.m. and one thing I liked about a lot of these excursions when booking, I was able to book transportation included where they pick you up and drop you back off to your hotel.
With the handshake, a hug, time to pet the dolphin, play with it, and two rides. The belly ride and the boogie board pushing. Okay? Plus the dolphins, you're going to have also a little interaction with manatees. So you got 15 minutes with them in shallow water as well. Okay? Afterwards, once you're done everything, you have included the lunch. It's a buffet directly in the restaurant outside.
Okay. So at this point, I am now showing you where all the tourists go to start the excursion. I wasn't really allowed to have my phone during the activities, but here are some professional pictures that I paid to get taken. So now I have a few footage from the last day for the last excursion, which was the private yacht tour, and just a few more videos from my trip. Okay, so now that I'm done my edges, this is how I like to do my edges. Now, however you want to do your edges, feel free, by all means, you do them how you like. But me, I like a little swoopty swoop here and there. I don't like to go too crazy with the baby hairs, but I kept my scarf nearby. Now, I'm just going to put on my scarf. Put my scarf on for a little bit. Okay, now that we let that sit for a little bit, it's time to take the scarf off. Alright. I feel like it's looking really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. So now I'm going to use the other clips, and that my cap kind of slid back as you seen, but that's okay. And we just gonna stick it right in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin her up. I call my wigs her. And this was kind of like attached to this. So I'm going to open that up, pull this back. Okay. So it's pretty secure. I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm actually just going to, I'd rather do that for security. So let's let it down. Okay, so it doesn't look too bad. So I should be using a wig brush. But, okay, so you guys see how it's kind of the look I'm going for. So I'm not gonna lie, I actually like it. This is the first time in a while I've had some longer hair. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's a little bit loose for my head. So I'm actually gonna take it off and I'm gonna try to put it on again. And I'm gonna try to do the step that I said that I thought I couldn't do because my hair is growing back. Okay, so now that I feel like it's a little more secure, I'm just gonna put this back here. Now, the flap. You see that? You see how the flap is like? So I hate that. So I'm still gonna take the bobby pin and I'm gonna kind of use that to, you know, get that up there a little bit. But what I'm gonna do is, because the ends look a little, could use some straightening. First, I'm going to straighten the wig and show you guys some different styles you could do for on the go, at the gym. And then I'm going to do some wand curls to show you a little more of a formal look. Okay, so this is it straightened. I didn't really straighten it too much because, you know, the wig already came straight. But I feel like any wig that you order and you want the style to be straight, I don't think it's anything wrong with giving it a good press when it arrives or when it gets to you. So, and I'm actually feeling the black headband. And even though the hair is silky, like I was saying in the beginning, I feel like it could still pass. It looks natural. It looks natural. I think it looks very natural. I like the texture of the hair. And now I'm just going to try on one of the headbands that they sent and kind of see what it looks like. Okay, so see, I like that one. This is like very cute. I think that this is really cute for like the spring, since you know spring is coming up. Floral is definitely a spring thing. Inches. I really like it. I really like it. So yep, this headband is definitely one. Definitely like that headband. Definitely. That's a go. So now we're just gonna switch. So these ones are kind of like, I would say this headband is definitely like the material of the one that I got from the other company, my first wigs. Okay, so this is something a little more tropical. I like this. I could see myself like wearing this headband to like the gym or something. If I wanted to be like, you know, cute or whatever. Even though I'm one of those people, believe it or not, when I go to the gym, I get to them. I don't be caring about how I look when I'm at the gym because I know, baby, when you catch me outside the gym, it's a whole nother story. But yeah, when I go to the gym, I really go to work out. But there's nothing wrong with wanting to feel pretty. So overall, So far, I am liking the wig. And overall, I love the wig. I love the headbands that they sent me. Definitely love it. So, that's a few ways you can wear the wig straight. Now, what I'm going to show you guys next, I'm going to do some wand curls. They're not going to be super tight, perfect wand curls, but just to see, one, if the wig is good enough to be curled. Can this hair curl well? And two, just for a more formal look. Okay, so I decided to do the curling off camera. These curls aren't super perfect, but I just wanted to see if the hair could hold a curl. Some form of a curl. So we're gonna start letting the curls down. Okay. So it can hold a curl. Alright, so we're just gonna take the rest of them out. Okay, so I felt like, I'm gonna get up and show you guys. I really felt like, okay, so if I really was to take the curling, take my time and really curl this hair, I think it would be so beautiful. So now I'm gonna try to put on the headband without messing up the curls. So this is the finishing look. I would rate this wig from Beauty Forever, despite it being a little big in the beginning, I give her a 10. I really just love how these wigs are convenient, manageable. You know, it doesn't take you a lot of time. Of course, if you want to style it, you know, as far as curling and stuff, that may take a little time, but other than that, you're not gluing anything down. Like, these wigs are such a great investment. My edges, if you have noticed, look, my edges, they are full. Why? Because I'm not gluing anything down on my head. And I actually prefer it that way, because when I cut my hair, it was for me to grow back healthier and thicker hair. And I would say these headband wigs is one of my most, oh, I forgot a curl. It's a very protective style, and I feel like, and I think there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with wanting to glue wigs down on your head or anything like that, because I have glued wigs down to my head. But with my goal, and also someone that's working a 9 to 5, I'm in college, I don't have the time to properly maintain a frontal or a closure that's glued down. So something like a headband wig is very, very convenient if you are someone like me who may be in college. You may work a lot. You might not have the time to always get glammed up and do your hair. You have that headband wig, throw it on, go to work, go to the gym, go to class, do what you have to do. But all I'm saying is, y'all need to get you one. Y'all need to get you one. And for a longer length, I really do like the Beauty Forever. And it's also reasonable. And also, if you're a student and you have Amazon Prime as well, get on this wig. Get on the wig, because it's affordable. It'll come fast. You know, with Amazon, it will come fast. And it's very, 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 very low maintenance and a very great protective style. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for the new supporters. Thank you for my day one supporters. Continue to keep supporting me. Like, comment, and subscribe below. All the details for this hair will be in the description below. Thanks again, y'all. Bye.